I'm Neil McEvoy, the Plaid Cymru Assembly candidate for Cardiff West, and I'm at Victoria Park where the pool used to be. I think this is a perfect example of the Labour Party simply not listening to people, and they've taken away the pool where many of us, when we were kids, got our confidence in the water. One other thing has come to my attention, which I think is absolutely disgraceful, and that is the case of Ida Cardinale. She's run the ice cream place and the snack place at the park for the last 50 years. The woman built the building, and what the council may well do is kick the woman out, basically. They're making her reapply for the lease, and who knows who will get the lease. And this is a woman who's given 50 years of her life to this park and the people who come here. So let's have a quick chat to Ida and see how she feels. So this is Ida, and we're shooting a video today, Ida. We want you to stay, and we're going to start a campaign that you should stay here. But I just want you to tell people how you feel, really.
Well, I feel a bit let down because I pay for the build, I pay for all my repair. I never ask the council for any help. I always pay the bill on time. I never had a letter, no me and no my husband from Landerfield. All I want, stay here at least another 5 years, if I can't. Thanks very much for your help. I would like to know.
Okay, great. Okay, so we're going to start a campaign that Ida must stay. We're going to get a petition, and we're going to name and shame Cardiff Council, because it's absolutely disgraceful that this woman could be kicked out after 50 years service to everybody in this park. So sign the petition, share this video, and let's tell Cardiff Council that Ida must stay. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.